Hi, Elle. This is Ms. Billerbeck, and we're going to talk about 15.3, measure of center mean. Okay, there's a couple measures of center, but we're going to talk about mean this time. So mean is just another word for an average, which means the sum of numbers over the number of numbers. So this is the way we write mean, an X with a little bar over it. So some calculators have that on them. So when you see that X with a bar over it, it means mean. So what it means is I take each number that I'm given. So if I have n amount of numbers, I add them all up and I divide by n, because n is the number of numbers, and that's how I get my mean. Well, that might be totally too theoretical for you. So let's actually look at a real life problem. So if we have a mass of 5 girls in kilograms, and they are 42, 39, 45, 40, and 44, well, we have 5 numbers, so we're going to put the number of numbers down here, 5, and we add up each one of the masses of each girl. And we get 210, divide by 5, and we end up getting 42 kilograms as the average mass or mean for each of the girls. So here's another example. So if we have the mean of 4 numbers, are 17, T, 23, and 29, and the mean is 20.5. Well, they gave us the mean, but they didn't give us one of the numbers. But how do we get rid of a 4 that's dividing? What's the opposite of division? That's right, multiplication. So let's multiply by 4 on both sides. So that gets rid of this 4, so now we just have to add these up. So 17 plus 23 is 40, and 40 plus 29 is 69, so we have 69 plus t inside there, and then 4 times 5 is, let's do that with our dry erase calculator so you can see. So 4 times 5 is 20, carry a 2, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2, and 4 times 2, 8. And then we move the decimal over one place, and we get 82. Oh, that looks a lot easier, doesn't it? So we have a plus 69, so the opposite of a plus 69 is a minus 69. And when we add the two together, that's 0 plus t equals, and we're going to borrow 1 from here. So we have 12 minus 9 is 3, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So t equals 13. Okay, so there you go for that one. Let's do another example of mean. So we have the mean of a mass of 4 math books is 1.4 kilograms, and of 6 science books is 0.9 kilograms. What is the overall mean? Okay, so if we have X bar for our mean, we're going to write 1.4 plus, and there's 4 of them, 1.4 plus 1.4 plus 1.4. And there's 6 of these, so we write 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's all going to be over 4 math books plus 6 science books. Okay. So you might say, well, Miss Billerbeck, why didn't you just do this? X bar equals 4 times 1.4 plus 6 times 0.9 over 10. Well, that would have been very simple, wouldn't it? We would have used association. Okay, so let's do 4 times this to make it easy. So 4 times 4 is 16. Carry a 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 56. And then we have a decimal here. Okay, 6 times 0.9 is 54. So we put a decimal right there. And that's over 10. So we have X bar equals, and that's going to be 5.6 plus 5.4. Remember, we line up the decimal like that when we add our decimals. So we have 10, carry a 1, the decimal's there, and then that's 11. Okay, so we have 11 over 10. Well, if we don't recognize what that is, we do top dog in the house. So 11 goes there, and we're going to put a little decimal there, and 10's over here. So we know that there's 1 10 in 11. So we subtract, and we get 1, and we put a 0 there. And there is 1 10 in 10. So subtract, and we get that. So this equals 1.1 kilograms. So that's the average weight of the science and math books. All right, so that is me. Good luck with that. Have a wonderful day.